This is the FIFA World Cup 2026 Ballers Series 1, and it's the 2-pack. The goal is to collect all 33 players, but the tricky part is that you never know who you're gonna get. But that's kind of what makes it fun, because it's a surprise every time. And the ones that we got in our surprise pack is Nicola Barella. He's number 18. As you can see, his arms and his feet move, and I mean, I think he looks pretty accurate. And up next, we have Harry Kane. He is number 9, and again, his arms and his feet move. Oh, and their arms and hands come off. I'm not really sure why, but they're pretty easy to pop on and off. Then they both came with a little soccer ball and a little square of the soccer field. And it's kind of like a little puzzle piece. So when you collect them all, I imagine you would have a whole soccer field. Now inside of the ball, you get this that kind of shows all the different players that you could potentially collect. And it also came with a tiny little card that had like the soccer players' names and picture on it too. And here's the packaging that it came in. Now, my son really liked this, and he did have a ton of fun opening it. But if I had one complaint, I would say there's a little too much plastic. But overall, it was fun, and I guess it kind of builds the anticipation. Oh, and if you like these kind of videos, don't forget to give this a thumbs up.